So hi guys, hello. So we gonna go to play this one. Oh, the Nido Tower. It's new, guys. Wait, I think I know who's made this. I see in the TikTok. Yeah. Oh, I think this one or oh, this not. This is new. Oh, satisfying, guys. Hmm. I think I have one. Wait, I I use pen. The pen for tablet like that. So I'm gonna go to use my hand. Okay. Oops. Ooh. Oops. Okay, I made it. Okay. Ooh, I think this is satisfying. So satisfying, guys. Oh, banana. Ooh, like the banana of. Do you know the banana candy? Oh no. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm back here. 1, 2. Baka my shoes. 3, 4. Baka sama 8. Okay, you're safe. Okay, I'm safe now, guys. I get back. Oh, what? How? How, guys? Okay, that's okay. 1, 2. I need to finish this tower. Oh, so by the way, guys, today it's my birthday. Wait. You need to follow and like and subscribe. I will gonna go to tapos this. Okay, guys. Oh, I have this. So, I'm. This is sticky. We're gonna go. Oh, dumplings. I love this one. Like that. Oh, I have a butter. That what? Let's see. Oh, a purple. Okay. Oh, this is what I want. The pepper needle. And the needle. The needle of the blue one. I got this one. Look. What happened to her? Okay. Next. Part 2. I'm gonna go to buy some. I have a money. I have a 1,000. So Tito Art gave me. So I will gonna go to buy some food and my case is gonna go. My case is rock. No, what says that? Sierra. Okay, wait, I'm trapped. Okay, I'm gonna go to buy some case. I will when okay later I will gonna go to see what case I want. So I have too many add to cart case. I don't know what I'm gonna go to order. Hey guys. Oh, what the gosh? Wait, what? Wait. Wow, the dumpling. What I want this butter, guys. I want to order that. Oh, okay, guys. I get when I see the lights of this. See, guys, I can see that. Wait, how? Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm here. So big. What is this, guys? Okay, let's up here. Oh, a golden dumpling. One, two, what? Oh, oh, oh. Mm. So satisfying, guys. Okay, we're here in dumpling, golden dumplings. It's May 13 now. It's my birthday. Can you like and share and follow, guys? Here. Yes, here. So satisfying. Oh, puppet. Oh, a blue noodle. Huh? A blue dumplings. Wait, what's that for? Okay. Here. Oh, I'm stuck, guys. What's wrong with me? No. Over here. I thought there, but here. Gonna fall in there. Oh, it's too fast. Okay. Wait, a needle cake? A needle cake, guys, is in there. Wait. Okay. The needle. The needle cake is in there. So I want that. Ooh, so it's satisfying, guys. Bro. Oops. Oops. Okay, we're here. I think we have part. Oh my god. I like. Oh. Wait, guys. So. Who? Who? I like the sound. Oh, I don't like the sound. It's too noisy, but so satisfying. I think she have part 3 in here. The tower. I can see. Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hop, hop. Oh, what the fush? Hop here. Hop. No. Like what the fush? Hop here. Or 3. Okay, guys. I think this is 4. Guys. Okay. Oh, that's calvo. That's bald. Oh, oh. Oh, crack. That's bald again. Oh. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. This is the end. Thank you, guys. Can you search in the comment happy birthday, Alien? So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe now.